Hello everyone. Today we'll dive into a comparative analysis of two significant laws focused on juvenile justice. First is the Philippine Republic Act number 9344, also known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Acts of 2006, and the United States Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act, or the JJDPA. Both laws aim to protect the rights of children in conflict with the law, but they differ in their approach, structure, cultural context. So let's explore these similarities and difference. But first, RA 9344 passed in 2006 in the Philippines. RA 9344 established a comprehensive juvenile justice system. Its primary goal is to ensure that children in conflict with the law are rehabilitated and reintegrated into society instead of being punished. This law focuses on restorative justice, child welfare, and right-based approaches. Next naman is Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act of the United States of America, enacted in 1974 and reauthorized multiple times. The JJDPA seeks to prevent juvenile delinquency, improve the juvenile delinquency system, and address the disproportionate incarceration of minors. It promotes the alternative to detention, safeguards youth in custody, and ensures the compliance with the specific federal mandates. So, first similarities focus on rehabilitation over punishment. Both law prioritize the rehabilitation and reintegration of children rather than punitive measures. They emphasize programs that provide counseling, education, and skill development for youth. Next is child right oriented. The RA 9344 and JJDPA uphold the fundamental rights of children, ensuring the humane treatment and protection from abuse. Both require specialized facilities for juveniles separate from adult offenders. Next is community-based intervention. Both advocate for community-based program to address the root causes of delinquency, including family support, education, and poverty reduction. Next is the differences of the RA 9344 and the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act from United States of America. First difference is age of criminal responsibility. The RA 9344, the minimum age of criminal responsibility is 15 years with intervention program for those who age 12 to 15 who commit serious offenses. While in the juvenile delinquency in USA, the age varies by state, but most states set it at 18 or higher. However, some allow younger teens to be tried as adults for severe crimes. Next is the scope and structure. In the RA 9344, focuses especially on child offender within the Philippine judicial and welfare system, while in the juvenile delinquency in USA covers a broader spectrum including prevention program, federal funding, and compliance with mandates like the removal of status offender from secure detention. Next is cultural context. In RA 9344 reflects the collectivist values of Filipino society, emphasizing family and community involvement, while in the juvenile delinquency in USA mirrors the US individualistic culture, focusing on systematic reforms and personal accountability. Implementation challenges. The RA 9344 faces issues such as lack of funding, in inadequate facilities, and cultural resistance in some areas, while in the juvenile delinquency in the USA struggles with the state level disparities and implementation varies while across the 50 states. So, in summary, while RA 9344 and the Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act share similarities, differences in implementation, jurisdiction, and sentencing reflect distinct approaches to juvenile justice. So, understanding these similarities in differences can inform best practices for protecting minors and preventing delinquency.